Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to Barnes and Nobles and we're gonna see what they have. I looked on the website. They said that they have mini brands, 2-pack, the ones that are discontinued, the series 2 wave 2. So we're gonna see if they have them there, and I just wanted to bring you guys along with me. So before we get into this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you there. All right guys, we are here. I'm about to go inside and see if they really have these mini brands. I'm gonna be so excited if they do. I haven't been to Barnes and Nobles in so long. Gotta get my mask. It's been so long, so let's see. That's where it is. But they have the sets. I didn't even know that their toy section was this big. Oh look, they got a fidget ball. They have a fidget ball, you guys. $12.99. And a marble spinner. They got Rubik's cubes. These are so cute. Laundry and vacuum. They're so cute. Oh my gosh, guys, they have puppets here. Look. They have puppets. They have purple, yellow, and green. Guys, you gotta come here. That is so cool. I never knew Barnes and Nobles had this much toys. Oh my goodness. Guys, look, I found them. Mini brands. I can't believe they got these here. These are the discontinued minis. They only have 4. And then they have the new toy minis. So you get 2 for $14.99. Which is about the same price you would get if you bought it at Target. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. And they have a big needle. Wow. This is definitely an unpopular fidget store. What is this? So I'm deciding. They only have 4. Trying to decide. I'm gonna get this one. I was wondering if I should get 3 or 2. Not sure yet. I'm gonna get 2 and I'm gonna leave these 2 for somebody else. Yes, guys, I am a nice person. They got a whole bunch of toys. Oh, look at my cat. Well, my sister's cat. Right there, you have a whole bunch of silly putty. Well, not silly putty, but like slime. That is so cool. I thought that was a poppet case, but it's not. They have some kinetic sand and play foam. And of course they have Legos. They got Legos all on this wall. Oh my gosh, you remember these Tamagotchis? They have them. $20, $19.95. We secured the bag. Look what we got, guys. I'm super excited. We got the mini brands. I cannot believe that Barnes & Noble's had that much stuff, and they even have Fidget. So make sure you guys check out Barnes & Noble's. They're a little, I wouldn't say expensive, because if you get 2 of these at Target, it'll come out to like same price. So they don't sell these no more. So to see them sell at Barnes & Noble's is really crazy to me. And I left 2 behind. I took 2. So we're going to open these in like a short, or we'll do a short video. But make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next video. Bye, guys.